This is Sushil from Creative Mind International School. Today I am going to discuss about the sample paper 1. So sample paper 1. Whatever the questions is there in the sample paper 1, every questions I will discuss today. So the first one is A, fill in the blank. So for the first question, what is the first question? A computer gives correct results. For the first question, this correct is the right answer. Correct. Computer gives correct result. Now second question. The most common input devices. The most common input devices we used are keyboard and mouse. So the answer is keyboard and mouse. Now third question is the CPU central processing unit has mainly three parts. First one is MU, memory unit. Second one is CU, control unit. And third one is ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. So for the third question, the answer is this: MU, CU, ALU. Now the fourth question. Come to the fourth question. There are mainly two types of software. So first one is system software. And second one is application software. So this one is the fourth question. Now, so the answer for the fourth one is system software and application software. Now the fifth question is a computer works on IPO cycle. So for the fifth question, the answer is IPO. IPO is the answer. So these are the 5 fill in the blanks questions. So for the first one, the answer is correct. For the second one, the answer is keyboard and mouse. For the third one, the answer is MU, CU and ALU. For the fourth question, the answer is system software and application software. And for the fifth one, the answer is IPO cycle. Now come to the next question. Next question is, after that we have the MCQ question, true false question is there. After that we have true false question. B is state true or false. So the first question is the shapes of a mouse. The shape of a mouse pointer changes as we do different actions. So the answer for this question is shapes of mouse pointer changes as we do different actions. So this one is true. Now come to the second question. You cannot cannot change the position of desktop icon. We cannot, or you cannot change the position of desktop icon. So the answer for this question is false. It is false. We can change the position of the desktop icon. Now the third question is a computer works very fast. So the answer of this question is true. Now come to the question number 4. The songs that we listen from a CD is hardware. So this one is what? False. It is not a hardware, it is a software. So this answer is also false. Now come to the fifth question. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the top of the desktop. So this question answer is false. टास्कबार जनरली जो होता है एट द बॉटम ऑफ द डेस्कटॉप होता है. टास्कबार को हम लोग आप लोगों को बताए होंगे कि रोटेट कर सकते हैं. हम लोग टॉप में भी ले जा सकते हैं, डाउन में भी रह सकते हैं, बॉटम में भी, लेफ्ट में भी, राइट में भी, लेकिन डिफॉल्ट जो होता है टास्कबार नीचे ही रहता है. इट इज एट द बॉटम ओनली. सो द आंसर इज दिस वन. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज false only. For the fifth question the answer is false only. Now sixth question. We cannot change the background of a computer once it is set. So the answer of this question is also false. We can change it. So the answer of this question is also false. Now the next one is choose the correct one. Choose the correct. Our next is choose the best answer. Choose the next one is choose the best answer. Choose the best answer. Now first question. Now, so the first question is nowadays computers are used nowadays computers are used almost in nowadays computers are used almost in dash. So the answer of this question is all the places. Now the second question. Now what is the second question? Monitor, comma printer, monitor, comma printer, comma keyboard, and mouse are the most commonly used devices in computer lab. They are all fill in the blank. So the answer is, they are all, answer is hardware. They are all hardware. They are all hardware. The right answer. Now third question is, what is the third question? Quick launch bar is present on the, fill in the blank. On the, answer is present on the taskbar. Present on the taskbar. Now fourth question is double-headed arrow, comma, four-headed arrow, and I-beam are all different steps of fill in the blank. So the answer for this one is, for the fourth question is, answer is mouse pointer. Now the fifth question is, the software which is used for doing calculation, calculation is known as DAL. So the answer is what? The answer is calculator. Now the next one is answer the following question. Now the next one is answer the following question. So next one is D, that is answer the following. So the first question is what are the basic principles on which our computer works. So this is the question. This is the first question. Now the answer for this question is, the basic principles on which a computer works are below. On which computer works are below. First is input. First one is input. Second one is processing. Third one is storage. Fourth one is output. These are the four principles on which the computer is working. Now next question is, second question. What is Windows? So this is the second question. Answer of this question is, Windows is an operating system that controls of Windows is an operating system which will control. That is an operating system which is a operating system that control. It is a operating system that it is an operating system which will it is an operating system. Windows is an operating system which will control and manages the functions of a computer. Okay? Functions of a computer. Now the third question is, what do we what do we call the image which pops up on the screen? What do we call the image which pops up on the screen when pops up on the screen whenever the computer remains idle for a short time. So the answer for this question is screensaver. Screensaver is the answer. Now fourth question. Name the set of programs that controls the